Welcome all artists and creative geniuses to the resin revolution. Our products are designed to take your art game to the next level. We have thousands of artists that love using Stone Coat Epoxy because it's heat resistant, scratch resistant. There's a long open time. It's UV resistant. It can dome. It doesn't foam. It's crystal clear. It's made right here in the USA, and it's second to none. Are you looking for selling or lacing? Do you do geodes and dirty pours? Maybe you like the ring pour technique. Are you looking for further inspiration to learn how to create art with resin? Artist Till Death, found on YouTube, Mixed Media Girl, and Christina Welch all love Stone Coat Epoxy. Go check them out and learn how to become a resin pro. If you're brand new to epoxy and you're looking for a starter product, you don't need quite the durability and the longevity that our art coat is going to provide, then Craft Coat will fill your need. It's less expensive and it's perfect to get your hands dirty in this medium and learn what's possible. Maybe you're a pro. Maybe you want to sell your art. You need that UV resistance, that longevity, that depth, that durability, that heat resistance, that long open working time. Then Art Coat is for you. Art Coat has all of these factors in our formulation and more. We love using this product and we've heard nothing but fantastic feedback. Do you do tumblers and turnings? Maybe you do geodes and you need a fast setting product. Our Quick Coat is designed to dry fast to get to the next step. If you are ready to move fast and you need to get something to dry, use that Quick Coat and you'll know why. All of our color fast additives that are designed to work hand in hand with our resin are right here on this page. Go check those out. We have dyes, we have glitters, we have metallic powders and more. We also have the sundries and tools that artists love. Go ahead and check out this page and remember, you got this.